All right, in this video, we're going to look at another method for extrapolation. So when you have a problem like this, or you're extrapolating in an inquiry activity, first open the Desmos graphing calculator. I'm going to move this to a separate window so I can still see my original chart. So the first thing you want to do is click on this plus in the upper left-hand corner and add a table. Then we're going to type in the data that we were given. So 30, 98.5, 40, 175, 57, 356. And we don't need to worry about that last one. Then go ahead and hit this plus sign right there, and we'll zoom so that we can see all of our points. The next thing that I want you to do is type in Y1, and just typing a regular one, we'll put it as a subscript as shown, and then do shift and that tilde sign, so in the upper left-hand corner, and then A, X1, I hit the shift and 6, so that's the caret, and then type a P for power. I hit the right arrow and put plus C. When you do that, Desmos will create a best fit curve that goes right through your points. Now we want to figure out, okay, where does this curve hit when our value is when X is 76? So the next thing I'm going to do is type in X equals 76. In this case, I have to zoom out a little bit and just see right where that intersection is. So it looks like when X is 76, Y is 634, which seems reasonable based on the Y's that we were given. So let's go ahead and type that in and check our answer. And we were really close enough to get credit for it.